making pom-pom crystals. What you will need: Epsom salt, measuring cup. Pour 1 cup of Epsom salt into a clear jar. Add 1 cup of very hot tap water. Make sure you have an adult helping you. Stir the mixture well to dissolve all salt. Choose whatever pom-pom color you like. Throw in the pom-pom and stir.
Place a jar in the refrigerator where it won't be disturbed and leave overnight or for 24 hours.
The next day. Carefully pour off liquid from jar to examine crystals more closely.
Lucas, you did a great job. Look at that. It is okay to touch your crystals, but just remember that they are very delicate and can crumble very easily.
The science behind crystals. More salt dissolves in hot water than colder water, creating a supersaturated solution. As the solution cools, the salt molecules come out of solution and crystallize easier on any surface. The pom-pom provides nucleation sites or uneven surfaces on which the crystal can easily start to grow. Watch more fun videos and subscribe!